Chapter 1, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, Book Snapshot. This story is written by William Saroyan. This story is about two poor Armenian boys. Armenian boys means boys from Armenia. It's a country who belong to a tribe whose hallmarks are trust and honesty. Means this tribe is known for their two qualities, that is trust and honesty. Now Murad and Aram, they are two cousins. They are two boys. Murad's age is 13 and Aram is 9 years old. And they both belong to Garoglanian tribe. Okay, from Armenia, Garoglanian tribe. As it is already written, their tribe is known for their trust and honesty. Now in this story, Murad, the elder one, is able to steal a horse, and after enjoying a ride for 1 month, he tells his younger cousin Aram to join him in riding. Finally, they decide to return the horse to its owner, that is John Byro, as they did not want to bring any humiliation or insult to their family. Now, there are four main characters in the story. One is Murad, 13-year-old boy who steals the horse, means who goes for horse riding. Second is Aram, he's also the narrator. He's telling us the story, he's 9 years old. Then third is John Byro, who is a farmer and who is the owner of the horse, which is stolen by Murad. And the fourth is the famous Uncle Khosrov. He is considered a crazy man who is Aram's uncle. Okay, so these are the four main characters. Now, the Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, the story, we will see that how they both enjoy riding and how they feel regretful afterwards in the end, and then they return the horse to John Byro. Okay, we start with the chapter. One day, back there in the good old days, when I was 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream, my cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. So Aram tells that when one day back when they were having good days, naturally he was 9 years old. He says at that age, when you are 9, when you are 12, 10, 11, 12, the world is very full of imaginable kind of magnificence. एक दुनिया अलग सी दिखाई देती है. It is full of mysterious things, mysterious dreams, delightful dreams. And that day his cousin Murad, who was considered crazy means थोड़ा सा insane, पागल माना जाता है. And he comes to his house at 4 in the morning and he wakes him up by hitting on the window. Aram, he said. I jumped out of the bed and looked out of the window. I couldn't believe what I saw. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer, and with daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know that I wasn't dreaming. Now, it wasn't morning yet for Aram, but it was summer and it had a daybreak also, and it was enough light for him to believe that he was not dreaming. My cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. Stuck means he pushed his head out of the window and he saw. Yes, he said in Armenian. That's the language of Armenia. It's a horse. You're not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride. So Murad invites him that he tells Aram that he's not dreaming, and if you want to ride, he should be very, very quick. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake, but this was more than even I could believe. Then Aram said that he knew that his cousin Murad, he enjoyed every moment of life. He enjoyed his life very much. And in the first place, but this was more, he says that, but this was so much when he saw horse. In the first place, my earliest memories had been memories of horses, and my first longings, means desires, had been longings to ride. Then Aram also said that his first memories are of the horse and his first desire was to ride. This was the wonderful part, and he thought, very good. In the second place, we were poor. Now he was thinking that he was poor. They were poor. Their tribe was very, very poor. This was the part that wouldn't permit me to believe what I saw. And he says, I couldn't believe when I saw the horse because they were very poor. They did not have enough money to buy. We were poor. We had no money. Our whole tribe was poverty stricken. Every branch of the Garoglanian family was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. Then they said every branch of this family, they were living in the most surprising, most funny, among the funniest part of the world. Means they were very poor wherever they were living. Nobody could understand where we ever got money enough to keep us with food in our bellies. And then they said that nobody even believed कि हमारे पास पैसा कहाँ से आता है खाने के लिए. Not even the old men of the family. Most important of all, though we were famous for our honesty, we had been famous for our honesty for something like 11 centuries, even when we had been the wealthiest family in what we liked to think was the world. And then they said most important thing, though they were very famous for honesty, and they had been very famous for their honesty from 11 centuries, when their family, when their tribe was very very wealthy. वो तब से जाने जाते हैं अपनी honesty के लिए. We were proud first, honest next, after that we believed in right and wrong. तो उनकी ये family की traits रहे हैं कि they were thought they are proud first, second they were honest, and third they always believed in right and wrong. None of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. तो उन्हें इस बात का ख्याल था कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. They believed in right, what is right and what is wrong, और they will never take advantage of anybody in the world. चोरी तो दूर की बात रही है. Consequently, even though I could see the horse so magnificent means so grand, even though I could smell it so lovely, even though I could hear it breathing so exciting, I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad, or with me, or with any of the other members of our family, sleep or awake, because I knew my cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse, and if he couldn't have bought it, he must have stolen it, and I refused to believe he had stolen it. Now he was lost in these thoughts that though he liked the horse so grand, he could smell it so lovely, he could hear it so breathing also, उसके सामने वो खड़ा है concrete shape में, but he never believed कि ये तो उसे पता है कि मुराद cannot buy it, तो पक्का है he cannot steal it, and he did not believe it कि वो कैसे उसको चोरी करके लाया है. So this is all about in my first video.